Hey guys, I found the home and the tree for all the geese that I used to see. I just want to show you the tree where all the geese sit. So this is a tree where they all rested down. There's a lot of geese around here. You can see. I can show you one of them that is sitting in this tree. Once a minute. I'm really loving it. What I'm looking this is a true nature, how it's there in our system, but we just forgot to see what God is giving us. See, really loving the Melbourne morning walks, and I think Australia is not so bad. It's giving me so much of scenic views, and I can have a very good look around these birds I never saw. Wow, they're beautiful geese. They're white in color, big nose. They're sitting in this tree. Oh, this is also a big tree that they always reside. And I will show you. Oh, see, beautiful. Oh, just missed it. So these ones are sitting on the top. See, they look so beautiful. I put the zooming on. My God, so beautiful, so neat, so scenic. And I can show you the other birds that are sitting on this tree. Beautiful tree. I don't have a selfie stick, but I'm trying my level best to capture the moments, capture the good pictures. So there's a little bit of pond or little bit of river that is flowing all around here. So most of the ducks are there, and I can go and check where these geese just hiding from me. There's one crow that you can see. There's one crow there. I can show you how the crow. It's like raven in Australia. We used to say crow in. You can look around. Where is he? Oh, he just flew away. Okay, one more thing. I will show you more about these birds. They just flew away, but I know they are just around the corner. They're just hiding. So this is the view. This is the view of the park that I'm walking these days. It's like a reserve. So big reserve with a lot of. See those birds are down there. The geese. I've seen the grey geese today. They look so beautiful. So there's so many down there. So I will just go some more close up view of these geese so that you guys can enjoy. Just a moment. So these geese are enjoying with the crow also. So there are some crows sitting down here, or maybe raven. You can call raven. Top of the branch of the tree. I will just go and check if I can find some more of these birds. Oh my God! In here, see? Can you see that? I can't resist seeing these birds. I feel like seeing these birds every time when I come to the park, come to my walk. I just got fascinated with these birds. It's like There's lot many. They just come and sit and rest in this tree. Some of them are sitting down there and some of them are on the top of the tree. Wow. Luckiest person, because I always see them flying from the top. There's so many, see. So many crows, geese chirping around. And this one just flew. On the top also. So if you can see, this tree got lot many geese. You can see the raven also sitting around here. It looked like a black crow with white eyes. Oh guys, I'm really loving it. Just wanted to say thank you all guys, and thank you for all your support and liking and sharing and subscribing me on Neha Saini, and my channel is Exploring Australia. Do like and comment. Thank you.